Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the C90 Pro Smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore the available watch faces for this wearable. As you can see here, it is preloaded with several watch faces, and of course we will add one. We'll download additional watch faces as well as the custom watch faces or custom dial, custom wallpaper. So let's see. Okay, let's check the support app if what are the available watch faces for this wearable, the C90 Pro Smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces for the C90 Pro, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the world of watch faces for the C90 Pro. As you can see here, it's already preloaded with watch faces. So we are using our crown button here to change the watch face. So how many watch faces do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have at least 4 preloaded watch face. So you can download additional watch faces from the support app. So it is using the HiWear Plus application. Just go to the dial section, and as you can see here, we do have the My Dial. These are the downloaded watch faces. Dial Mall, this is where you download the additional watch faces, and the DIY dial for your custom wallpaper. If you want to download additional watch faces, just go to Dial Mall. So before we download, let's check the list of watch faces for our C90 Pro. So it is a combination of analog and digital watch faces. So let's explore. How many watch faces do we have? So we have a lot of options here. We do have a lot of analog and digital watch faces. So we will have an example. Let's see how many watch faces we can download for our smartwatch. So let's explore more. Okay, so that's it for the recommended. New product listing, I think it is just a combination of recommended and new watch faces. So let's have an example later on. Okay, as you can see, some of the watch faces is also available here on the recommended. Okay, so let's have a sample download. Let's pick one. Okay, what do we pick? Analog or digital? Okay, I think I'm going for a simple design. Let's scroll. Okay, we'll pick this one. It is an analog. Okay, let's go for the analog. View, and it is free. Fun clock. Redeemed now. Congratulations, it has been exchanged. Use immediately. Let's wait. And as you can see here, our smartwatch, the C90 Pro, switched to download mode. Let's wait for it to complete. And we have here our watch face, our new watch face or dial. Let's have another one. This time, let's go for the digital design. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. Okay. Then redeem now. Use immediately. Can we add at least 2 watch faces or dial? Let's see. Hopefully we can add at least 2 dials aside from the custom watch face on our smartwatch. And we have here our new watch face. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 watch faces. As you can see, the previous download has been deleted. Okay, you can only add 1 watch face at a time on our C90 Pro. Let's go to our My Dial section. So we have here the 2 downloaded watch faces. Next, let's have the DIY dial. Tap on DIY, select a picture, and we'll use this one. Okay, check, drag the time, we'll put it on the center, we'll change color. Okay, that's it. Then check, change the data here. Let's have the date. The other one, the heart rate. Okay, then save and use. Let's wait for it to complete its download. It's now pushing. Hopefully we'll not encounter any issues at all with a custom wallpaper. Okay, it's almost complete. Alright, we have here our custom wallpaper or custom watch face. Nice. So far, we have a successful download and application of wallpaper on our C90 Pro Smartwatch, and seems like the connection is stable. Okay, no issues at all when it comes to downloading. Again, you can only add 1 watch face at a time and 1 DIY dial or custom wallpaper. Alright, so if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, downloading of watch faces as well as custom watch faces, like this video, and of course subscribe to our channel. Bye.